What's up, YouTube? I know it's been a long time since we made a video, but I got a little time because I am at home. We are stuck on snow break, I guess that's what you want to call it. It's been snowing here in Dallaska, that's what they calling it. We've been in the house. It's just been mostly sleet and ice, so it's not really the snow that you think this time around, but it was a bunch of sleet, and then once it hit the ground, now it made ice. And so today is Monday. So it's been going on all weekend, and this is our extra day off. So me and my dog Behr about to hit the streets a little bit and just see what the streets are looking like in DeSoto, and we are going to take you with me. DeSoto, Texas, that is. And so we're going to take you with us and see what it's looking like out here in Dallaska, because we still got off, and they gave us Tuesday off. So are we going to get to steal a day? Is it really needed to go back tomorrow, or do we really need an extra day? We're about to see what the streets looking like in DeSoto. Let's go. So it is still ice cubes, still ice on the ground. We haven't been able to take my truck all weekend because the doors were frozen shut, and the windows were frozen. So still got a little ice. Maybe we could heat this thing up and see if we could take the truck today. My wife is tired of me taking her car sliding in the snow. She said, take your own truck if you're gonna do that. So let's see if the truck, we can get it out of here. All right, we're gonna help ourselves out a little bit and try to pour some water on the window. Of course, we know this is not hot water. Do not put hot water on your frozen windows. That will not end well for you. Your glass will shatter. This is cold, just regular room temperature water. It ain't high. All right, we just need to make a space so we can see. Yesterday we tried this and the glass froze right back up instantly because we, of course, were using cold water, but just trying to see if it was gonna get a little bit of help. All right, I finally got a little bit more than that. That's gonna be good enough. We about to roll. Behr, look at this dude. You going or no? It is a little powdery out here though. It's like powdery on top. It's not as solid ice as you would think. Come on, let's go. Gotta stop to get the essentials, keep us warm in the house. These are 0 proof, alcohol-free Heinekens. We're doing a dry January, doing a dry 2026. No alcohol, but it's a beer nevertheless. Let's check out and get back to the street. My co-pilot right here is chilling. We are headed downhill. This might be what they call a slippery slope. Man, these tires are terrible on this truck right now. I'm not gassing it. I'm just letting it do its thing, trying to maintain control. And we're gonna ease on down this hill. It is frozen all over DeSoto. Not many people on the roads. Wish Shells and Tails was open. I sure could go for a seafood snack plate right now. I am gonna bust a U-turn, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all as much as I can show y'all, but at the same time, I don't want to get too far from the house because these tires are not doing what they're supposed to do right now. I don't know if they're not all-weather tires or what. They are fairly new, but they are not doing great in the snow right now. So I'm not about to be crazy and get myself stuck out, especially when I'm in my truck, and for some reason I brought my truck key and my wife key, so she can't come get me if I needed help. So we about to go back closer to the house. We got a hill. Oh my God, we about to power up this thing. We give some acceleration going. We're gonna keep the acceleration going, stay in these grooves, because this is a heck of a hill right now, and we just trying to make it up the hill. Last real hill before I good in the clear. We almost up the hill. We almost up the hill. Chug-a-lug, chug-a-lug, chug-a-lug. We made it. We at the top of the hill. All right, we're good. Everything else is downhill from here. Literally, you got some good groove right here, so we good on traction and everything. We're gonna kind of spin the block and show y'all a little bit more if it's spots with some grooves like this, but if it's not, I ain't showing y'all too much more. I ain't crazy. What you think of that dude? I know, right? Terrible. Terrible. Why is he here? All right, that's all I got for you. I was really just running up to the 7-Eleven and I said, let me make a video. So I made a video just so you can see what it looked like around here at DeSoto, Texas, just in the area that I'm in. It's still icy. It's not nothing super crazy. The roads are icy. Stay off of them. My tires were a little slick, so we had some fun with them instead of getting stuck. So if you follow me on Instagram, check out those stories because we hitting donuts and everything in this thing. But maybe I'll add a clip to this to the end of the video just so you'll see. But I mean, that's about it. We just chilling, man. It ain't nothing too crazy. It's not the apocalypse. I don't think people needed to order all that food and go crazy, but you know, people gonna do what people gonna do. So I'm gonna go and chill and spend the rest of my day in the house and go watch TV. So you guys stay safe, bundle up. Hopefully everybody is safe and bundled up. Hopefully nobody got affected by this. If you did, prayers to you and your family. Hey, stay strong, guys. Until next time, let's go.